Hello mga palangga, good day. So, kumusta po kayong lahat? So, sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, so paki-subscribe naman po sa may subscribe button dyan. Wala naman pong bayad ang pagpindot doon. At para ma-aware kayo or magkaroon kayo ng notification kapag meron tayong bagong tutorial na i-upload katulad nito. So, sa ngayon mga palangga, ang video natin ay tungkol sa sentence. So, mag-i-English lesson tayo ngayon mga palangga. So, sentences yung ating topic. A sentence is made up of words and expresses a complete thought. In order to express a complete thought, a sentence must contain a subject and a predicate. No, so, para magkaroon tayo ng complete sentence or complete thought, kompleto yung ng nilalaman ng ating sentence or matatawag natin siyang sentence, dapat meron siyang subject at meron siyang predicate. So, basic. So, the subject is the person, place, thing, or idea doing or being something, while the predicate describes the subject. Ayan. In the following examples, the subject are in italics while the predicates are not. So, i-type ko dyan, nasa baba po yung mga yung mga examples. Example number 1, Julius Caesar conquered Gaul or Gaul. Yan siya. So, naka-italiced ang Julius Caesar. So, that indicates the subject. Now, while itong conquered Gaul or Gaul is, ano po siya, hindi siya naka-italiced. So, meaning it is the predicate. Next, as example, Magellan discovered Mactan. So, the subject there is Magellan and the predicate discovered Mactan. A third example is birds fly. So the subject there is birds and the predicate fly. Okay, let's talk about the rule in English, about sentences. So when we say fragment, mga palangga, it is not considered a complete sentence. It lacks the subject or the predicate or even both the subject and the predicate. Pagka sentence fragment. So, hindi po siya tinatawag na complete thought. So, hindi siya sentence. Fragment lang. So, let's talk about rule number 1 in sentence. For a sentence to express complete thought, must have subject and the predicate. So, that's rule number 1. Dapat to express a complete thought, it must have a subject and a predicate. Example, your notice this morning. Subject is missing. Received your notice this morning. So, wala tayong nakikita na subject. So, meaning, hindi siya nagsasabi ng complete thought. Example number 2. First visit check. Ayan, wala gihapon orange subject. Next, hoping this meets your approval. No complete thought. So, hindi siya pasok doon sa rule number 1 na